officers are recruits. They don't sign up to be shot. They sign up to be public servants.
New tonight, if you slap, punch, kick, or assault an officer of the law, expect steeper fines and more time in jail. State lawmakers just increased the penalties, looking to protect men and women wearing a badge. Good evening. Thank you for watching 10 News at 11. I'm John Becker. Reporter Maria Guzman joining us for a look at the risks on the streets for the men and women in blue and the motivation for this new law.
John, numbers from Knoxville Police Department show an increase on assaults on officer. In 2022, 63 officers were listed as victims in assault reports, while in 2023, that number jumped to 88 officers. So far in 2024, more than 30 officers have been victims of assault.
We're here to protect and we're here to serve.
Officer Kenneth Fedito went from teaching in the classroom to patrolling the streets.
Being an officer was something I'd wanted to do from the time I was young.
A change in job that came with a much higher risk.
So you just have to be ready for things to change at a moment's notice.
He says domestic calls are some of the most dangerous for a response.
When you roll up to the house, you're always at a disadvantage.
A new law now in effect aims to protect officers like Fedito. The Back the Blue Act increases legal penalties for offenders.
Serving in law enforcement today, your chances of being assaulted are extremely high.
Under the new law, offenders can face a Class E felony. If convicted, they would be required to pay $10,000 and face at least 60 days in prison. Former Knoxville Police Chief Phil Keith says there's been more officers' assaults from 2021 to 2023.
There were more police officers killed and assaulted than any other 3-year period.
This comes as East Tennessee has seen law enforcement involved in shootings. In October, Knox County Deputy Tucker Blakely was shot while responding to a call. 4 months later in February, Deputy Greg McCowan and his partner Shelby Eggers were shot in Blount County, killing Deputy McCowan. Then in June, Deputies Corbin Smith and Edward Walker were also shot in Blount County and survived.
Here in East Tennessee, these most recent ones are just ambush attacks, and that's where we've seen the greatest increase, not nationwide, is ambush attacks.
Now, for some perspective, if you were to assault other first responders like a firefighter or a nurse, you can face less penalties. That comes with a Class A misdemeanor that's punishable by $5,000 fine and at least 30 days in prison. John.
Maria Guzman on the new law. Right now,